Welcome to Gibbs Garage, your go-to place for quick solutions to common car problems. Today, I'm sharing 3 tips to getting better vehicle performance, better gas mileage, and of course, more bang for buck at the pump. Be sure to like this page, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for the latest videos. Let's do it. All right, so if you're experiencing sudden fuel loss, the vehicle's not getting the mileage that it once had, or it just has poor performance, it's probably because of your gas cap. Gas caps are only designed to last 5 years, 50,000 miles. So if you're driving a high mileage vehicle, pull over to your nearest auto parts store and buy a new gas cap. Tip number 2, after every fill up, yes, every fill up, before you hang that nozzle up, be sure to sprinkle a little gas right on that rubber gasket inside of the gas cap. What that'll do will allow that cap to fit snug against the lip of the tank, increasing the fuel tank pressure, which improves your gas mileage and overall vehicle performance. Now, I suggest that everyone use some sort of fuel injector cleaner. Fuel injector cleaner helps your vehicle run at its best. It also keeps the fuel system clean. The rule of thumb is to put 1 bottle in about every 3,000 miles. So yeah, when you go to get your oil changed, fill up the gas tank and add 1 bottle of fuel injector cleaner. Now, with so many brands to choose from on the market, I suggest using a Seafoam brand or a Lucas brand. Seafoam is great, Lucas is great. I've gotten some phenomenal results from both brands. You can find them at your nearest auto parts store. If you can't find them there, I've got a couple links in the description below. You can order a couple off of those links. Tip number 3, tire pressure. Yeah, tire pressure is one of the most overlooked culprits when it comes to fuel loss. If your tires aren't inflated to the proper manufacturer's recommendation, you will lose vehicle performance as well as fuel economy. Listen, I hope these tips have been helpful. Be sure to check back with me as soon as you can for the latest tips. All right.